Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a lazy man bread, a no knead bread. Let's get into the video. We have 6 cups of flour and 1 cup of warm milk, just warm, not hot, not cold. We have 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. And I'll be using half cup of sugar. You can reduce the quantity if you don't want it to be too sweet. We have half teaspoon of salt. Here we also have 2 eggs. You can use one if you wish. I'll also be using half cup of warm water. Here in an empty bowl, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now adding the half cup of warm water. It should be a warm water. Now mix it together. Mix it together like so and add the yeast. Add the yeast into the water and mix it. Mix it and keep aside. Allow it to rest for about 5 minutes for the yeast to proof. Then I'll add in all the dry ingredients. Yes, I forgot, I'll also be using half cup of vegetable oil. Mix all dry ingredients together like so. Now our yeast is ready. Add all wet ingredients, all wet. Mix together like so. If you are just tuning into this channel, I welcome you, and our returning subscribers, I also welcome you. Please, if this is your first time, please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. Also press on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Here I'll keep and allow it to rest for 1.5 hours. Now it has doubled in size. Vegetable oil to grease the pan. If you have a bread pan, you can also use your oven tray or your cake pan. Another 45 minutes or 1 hour. Then I'll place it in oven for 25 minutes. And yes, our bread is ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? is so soft and sweet. I bet if you try this, you will not want to buy bread anymore. And this is so easy to make. You don't need to stress yourself to knead it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also comment. Thank you.